What is NFT minting? Minting is the process of tokenizing a digital file with cryptography. Tokenization is the process of turning an asset into a digital token that can be moved, stored, and recorded on the blockchain. Anybody can easily mint an NFT, but while there are many NFT marketplaces where you can start minting, we'll focus on the largest decentralized platform for NFT collectors and artists, the OpenSea marketplace. How to make money selling your NFT on OpenSea. OpenSea is an NFT marketplace where sellers are connected to potential buyers on the other side. There are currently millions of NFTs up for sale on the marketplace. However, don't be left with the wrong impressions. The huge demand created an even higher supply. Millions of NFTs are desperately waiting for a buyer that will never come. So, if you are here only for the money, you better think twice, or instead, better think deeper how to position yourself in this fast emerging industry. So before we start, it's important to note that the below won't teach you how to make money from your NFTs. It will guide you to mint your first NFT and place it for sale on OpenSea in a step-by-step way that anyone can easily do. How to mint your first NFT on OpenSea. NFTs are unique digital assets issued and are stored on the blockchain. To start minting NFTs, you need a wallet that can be connected to OpenSea. There are a few options here, but we'll recommend and use MetaMask as it's the most popular one. First of all, you'll have to link your MetaMask wallet to the OpenSea marketplace. MetaMask is a wallet available both as cold storage, when integrated with a physical HD wallet like Trezor or Ledger, and as a browser extension for Google Chrome and Brave. If you don't have it, go to metamask.io and download it for your browser. Next, add it as an extension. You'll see a tiny orange fox on the upper right side of your browser. Once installed, you can easily access it anytime you want to check your balance or send and receive funds. On MetaMask, you can store ERC20 tokens, such as Ether, at the currency you'll likely be using to buy and sell NFTs on OpenSea. In addition, you receive royalties in ETH too. When someone buys an NFT from you and resells it, you receive a percentage of that sale, and it goes to your MetaMask address. Beware, there are more security risks when using web wallets if they're not integrated with hardware wallets. So far, MetaMask hasn't suffered any major hacks, but users should be wary about ongoing phishing attacks and related scams. This is why it's always advisable to use a hardware wallet. MetaMask supports the two most popular HD brands, Trezor and Ledger. Before we start, you need to have some ETH in your wallet to pay transaction fees. As mentioned, ETH is the base currency, and it's used to pay fees for every transaction and confirmation on OpenSea using MetaMask.